Hey there, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited you here today. We got some really good content to share with you, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe at the information below. It should be a red video, actually a red button below this video, so you go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get information and you'll be alert when I do videos just like this. Now today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners, solo ad marketing. So I'm just talking straight to you. It's me and you today. We're going to break down solo ad marketing. Now, before I dive deep into solo ad marketing, I want to talk about the problems and the pain points that I discover that people have, and including myself. Now, the biggest thing was solo ad marketing. Yes, it's a way of building your business. It's one of the most easiest and fastest way of doing that. But my problem that I see in the marketplace, and me, they don't know what solo ad marketing really is and how viable it is into your business. So one of the problems I see is people buy solo ads and they don't really do a good job of researching the right information. That's a big problem, and you need to do your research about it. You need to get a training or course or somebody showing you how to look for effective solo ad vendor for your business. That's one of the biggest problems in the marketplace in terms of people involved in solo ad. They don't know how to research and they don't know what to look for. The second thing is that I see on solo ad marketing is they don't track their progress and they don't communicate with their vendor in an effective way. I remember I bought my first solo ad purchase, and I didn't connect with that person very well at all. And it seemed like I felt like, hey man, he stole my money, because you got to pay for its service. You pay for amount of clicks to their email list. That's basically what solo ad marketing is in a summary, but we're going to break down the definition in a few minutes. But the problem that I had was I wasn't communicating with the solo ad vendor. I didn't communicate with them very well, and there was no dialogue, and I end up pretty much not doing very well in that particular opportunity because I didn't communicate with him and I did not know how to research in terms of if he's a good one or not. I was lucky at that time. He wasn't a bad solo ad vendor, but I really didn't maximize what I could because I did not communicate. I did not know how to communicate in terms of the solo ad vendor. I had to get taught and trained how to do this, and this is why I'm doing this video. Affiliate marketing is for beginner, solo ad marketing. That's why you got Adam Shelton here, have you covered to showing you exactly what solo ad marketing is and how to look for them and where to find good effective vendors. Now right here, down here, I got a definition here of solo ad marketing. So solo ad marketing is a way where you are sending out your email, having your landing page, squeeze page, website, or affiliate product sales page linked to other people's email lists related to your niche or product. In other words, it is simply like an email that's sent out to your friend, but here you pay a fixed amount of money to solo ad providers. Just send out your email to his or her email list. Sometimes solo ad providers use their own email swipe copy, and you simply have to give them your landing page, squeeze page, website, affiliate product sale to the page link. So basically, you're giving their information, you're giving the solo ad vendor your landing page, capture page, squeeze page. They're all about the same thing. And basically what a capture page is, it's a way of basically identifying and capturing information from that particular customer. Email address is very popular in terms of collecting, because with the email address, it's very easy to email that particular person your opportunity. That's what a solo ad vendor would do. You basically will give them your capture page information. They send it out to his or her email list, and then they will go ahead and opt into your landing page, and you will collect that information to your email list. So now you're getting information from the solo ad vendor's email list. Now that information is going to your list as well. And from there, you'll start communicating with them by email, or even in another platform could be video. Email is very popular, obviously, of how you can identify and communicate with that customer. Now, solo ad vendors, and they can be tricky to find, by the way. Now, the next step, as you know about solo ad marketing, be like, where to find these guys? Adam, where can I find some effective solo ad vendors? Well, I got the solution. I got the answer for you right now. It's just me and you today. So I'm going to go ahead and go to one particular source, and that is Udemy, udemy.com, /my. So you can go to Udemy, and I'll have information about Udemy right below this video. I will have a link for you can go ahead and click right on that link, and you go right to this page of where you can find effective solo app vendors. But you must do your research before you purchase. I tell you, do your research before you purchase. We're going to break down one particular solo app vendor on Udemy to show you how you can look for effective solo ad vendors. So let me go ahead and click on Find Sellers. You can just click on there. And I already have an account with Udemy, so I just want to log in and show you guys exactly what I usually look for. So Sarah Chu is a person that's online. Now, the good thing about Udemy is that you can actually chat with some of these solo app vendors even before you buy. So you can go ahead and send her a quick message and introduce yourself, talk about your product, talk about your business a little bit, talk about your capture page. Maybe they can look at your capture page and give you some pointers about that based on how they are and with their own business. So Sarah Chu, let's go and check her out. She's charging 49 cents per click, which is not bad. You would definitely want to stay between 35 cents and 60 cents. You want to stay around that area, 35 and 50 cents if you can. But you also want to try to negotiate your information to them, because remember, they're in the business to make money as well, but you're in the business to make money as well. So you definitely want to negotiate the best opportunity. And one thing you can just say, I want to do a test run with 100, 200 clicks. What's the best price I can do? So you can start negotiating. It's all about communication and building an effective relationship. Now, this particular person here, I've already bought, clicks from her in the past and gotten some positive results from her. And the biggest reason why I got some positive results, because I built a solid relationship with her before I even purchased a solo ad run with her. So here I purchased on June 2nd, got 440 clicks. She gives me 10% over delivery on her clicks. That's what her thing is that if you buy over 100 clicks, she will give you 10% more. So on this one, I bought 400, but she gave me 40 extra clicks. And then the one before that, it says, congratulations on 2 sales. Keep it up. Thanks. So on that run, I only bought 250 clicks, and I got 2 sales from that, which is not a bad run from Sarah. Now, what I look for specifically, I look about seller information. So I will look at some of her information that says right here. One thing I look for, what particular niche is this person in? So she is the make money online niche, which is the same niche that I'm in, and she's also in the biz op niche, and she also is in MLM, crypto, and Forex. Now, she's in a niche that fits my business, so I'm going to have some type of relationship with her or start a relationship with her in terms of niches, because you want to find a solo app vendor that's in the same niche that you're in. That's so important. That is so important. A target vendor, solo app vendor you want to do. Now, another thing I really liked about what she did is that she gets fresh leads each and every day, and she has actually testimonials since 2015. So she has 2,000 testimonials, so I can look at some of those testimonials, maybe contact a few of those guys, and do more research before I even give her. So she's a proven person that she's been on the market for quite some time. Now, right here, I also got 2 sales before, and I'm also going to look at previous sales. I'm going to look at previous information that other people's bought. So I bought something from her. I got sales from her before, and I'm going to look at all the ones that got success, like Mark Watson. He got a sale over 220 clicks, which is not bad at all. 2 upgrades and lots of opt-in. This person did get some sales as well. This person got no sales, but here you got more sales. So she's a person that you definitely want to take a look at, because it seems like she's got more sales with particular people versus no sales at all. Now, that's why I look for it. And then over here in the corner here, you should see where the vendors are online. So you can look at all the vendors that's online right here, right on the side here, and check it out. Sarah Chu. So we can go ahead and send her a message right now. Hey, what's going on, Sarah Chu? How you doing? Just introduce yourself. That's what I really like about Udemy, because you can instantly talk to those solo app vendors right away. Now, what I'm going to discuss next time, or right now actually, is that another recommendation for another solo app vendor, and his name is Roy Tate. Now, Roy Tate has been around a long time, and he's a person that I recommend in terms of having even a closer relationship, because he's a person that literally will look at your landing page, your capture page, and then he will actually share a little bit of his email swipe copy that he sends out to his customers, or to his list, I would say. So that way you'll get a good dialogue, or you can give him your own email swipe copy as well. It really depends on what you're more comfortable with. Now, Roy does high quality solo ad traffic that generates commission for you. He is proven. I've gotten sales from him before. It's also a disclaimer here. I want to go ahead and say disclaimer. Not all results is going to be the same. So just because you bought from somebody doesn't mean that you can instantly get sales. So I want to do a disclaimer there, is that you definitely want to do your research. You definitely want to communicate with these vendors before you go ahead and buy them. That way you feel better about that. So here, looking for the best place to buy solo ads. His name is Roy, and he's a traffic expert. He's been around for a very, very long time. And what I like about Roy is that it's easy to find. So if you type in buy solo ads, his information will show up right here. We just came back from Udemy, and right here is solo ads by Roy Tate. Information right there. And actually below this video, I also will have a link for you can go ahead and sign up with Roy Tate as quick as humanly possible. I'll have that information right below this video. Now, why buy solo ads from him? He has information about that. He is a professional copywriter, which is really good. His top tier 1 countries in terms of his traffic, which is basically English-speaking countries. So only people with English-speaking customers will get your opportunity, which is very important, especially if you live in the United States. Now, right here, I like about you can go ahead and order traffic package from him. He normally will have discounts throughout the month, the day, or even year. So contact him with that. I'll have information below this video once again. And what's I like about here, once again, positive testimonials. You got, Roy Tate testimonials. You got written email testimonial. You got Ace and Rich, which are super affiliates. These guys are awesome into their business. They're one of the top internet marketers you're gonna find on the internet is Ace and Rich, and they actually bought, solo ads from him before, so he is very, very proven. So here, 2,500 per profit from other guys, from other people. This person here has got some solo ads. This person at the bottom here, this person is bottom, like he's got a lot of good check this out. 3 sales from 110 clicks. That's awesome. That's really, really good. 10 sales from a different campaign. The list goes on and on. Look at this person. I'm gonna play one of these little videos for 1 minute, but you can go and check out what it looks like. This person is breaking it down to solo ad marketing. So that's a little bit about the information about a video testimonial. I didn't want to play all of it, but I'll have the information below this video for you can go and check out all the information about his run. So that's it, guys, about solo ad marketing. Really, it's basically about finding the right ones. You definitely want to research before you purchase anything, and you want to look at people that have done it before and is willing to communicate. And you also want to look at people that's going to give you positive results, and definitely people that has positive testimonials as well. So if you want more information about solo ads, you can also email me at adam@adameshelton.com. I'll also have the information below this video. And also guys, I also will have all the link information for you can go and get started with your first solo ad run. Positive results, I believe that's going to happen. Once again, it is the disclaimer that it's just because you order somebody from someone doesn't mean you're going to get sales coming in, but I think you will get at least a result. A result is a really good positive step in your online business. That's all I got, guys. Click on the links below to get started with your solo ad marketing campaigns right away. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Should be a red button below this video. Hit the notification bell. When I go on live, you get videos just like this. You guys have a good night, good day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.